Now we're gonna look at this spade drill bit. This spade drill bit, it is for wood as well. Now we're gonna put it on this cordless. It doesn't necessarily need more power, as you can see. I'm just gonna drill next to this old area. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let me just drill right through. Let me just drill right through. Okay, now we are done. Let's come close. Okay, now we're gonna clean. Okay, now we are done. Let's look at the hole. It looks like it was drilled by a hole saw. So this one, it is a 19 millimeter, so which means the diameter of our hole is 19 millimeter, and it drills clean as well. It drills clean as well. So okay, I will recommend this one as well.